Hey guys, Tom here from the Doctors Collective. Let's talk about how to create a reliable, predictable stream of recurring income. Now imagine this. You look into your calendar, into your appointments. You've got appointments set for the next 2-3 quarters. You know, 2-3 months, 2-3 quarters in advance that you've got patients, clients, customers booked in to see you and they've paid up front. And you know at that point that you're set and you can start to bring on staff to help you to look after them because you can't handle it all or you don't want to. That's what you can start to create if you build this recurring income into your business. So how do you do that? Now, I've been talking to a lot of our private clients about this. And we're going to be talking more about it at our one-day event that we're running in May, on the 11th of May in Sydney. Now, if you want to know more about that, click the link around this video. But this affects a lot of business owners, doctors, obviously, because that's why you're here, who it works in many different industries, right? And you got to get a bit creative as to how you can do this, because the way you set this up, and I'll give you an example. A really great example is, for example, things like injectables and cosmetics. People don't just do that once, right? They come in for on a regular basis, maybe once a quarter. Or perhaps you have another service, or you could set up a service where you help people to achieve a particular outcome or a goal or an aim that you're working towards, and which will require a number of treatments. So what you could do is set up a package, right, where during the first consultation or the first interaction that you have with them, you run them through a scripted process that pre-qualifies them to check if they're appropriate for what you have and what they need. And then at the end, you can offer them your services, which involve a series of treatments, whatever it is for you. Now, we can apply this to you at the event, or we can have a conversation to see how this applies to you. If you have questions, type them in at the bottom. But we have to get a bit creative, because we can apply this to many different industries, where we can create a package where people pay up front or they pay in installments before you actually provide the service, so that you know that it's coming ahead in the future. So you can, when you look into your calendar, let's say you bring in 10 of these in a week, right? 10 a week this week, you know that for the next 3 quarters, you've got clients. Extra 10 next week. You know that you've got an extra 20 for each quarter. An extra 10 the next week. You've got 30 for each quarter. And then you can keep doing this, and you can see how this starts to build over time, where you can get to a point where you can see that 6 to 12 months from now, you're going to need to bring on a staff member to take the load off so that you can go to the beach. Or you can see the clients that you want to, but get help and grow your business as you do it. Now, that is the power of setting up programs and packages that provide recurring income for you. So have a think about how you can apply that to what you do. And if you want some help doing that, come along to the event, or type your comments below. At the event, we're going to be going into depth onto how to actually do that. If it's appropriate for you, obviously, because it doesn't work for everybody. But if it does work for you, if we can make it work for you, then this is a game changer. This is where things take off and your life and your business changes. So I hope that's been helpful. Have a think about that and let me know if you have any questions. But for now, all the best, and I'll see you next time.